designing the new Thar, it's all about recreating the icon. So what you are trying to design is a worthy successor to its predecessor. That's what makes it unique. My name is Nilay. I am an automotive designer. I've been part of Mahindra & Mahindra design team for last 14 years. No product is one-man job. It's a team of people who work on making it happen. Design development is a long process. Your thematic direction to your theme sketches, your concept sketches, your emotive renders, and from there you go into CAD and actually building prototypes of the vehicle, scale models, full-size models, and then keep refining them. So that's the process of design. In monsoons, when it is really slushy, we spend a day experiencing the Thar. Getting stuck, getting pulled out. The whole experience was about connecting well to the product and sort of bringing that connect with you when you come back and start working on the design of the same. Every time we showcase this vehicle, it'll put a smile on their face, and sometimes you'll also hear that wow. Those things always will remain as part of your memory. Most important thematic direction in terms of design of the new Thar is about keeping it authentic. And that authenticity becomes the core of a design philosophy. When you redesign the vehicle, you ensure that the vehicle does not have drawbacks. We have done that change in terms of correction of proportions and the form aspects to incorporate all the modern requirements of the vehicle. It's a very unique combination of wheel arches where the front wheel arch is a trapezoidal, rear wheel arch is a circle. And that's very unique for this vehicle. Overall body is divided into beautiful 3 segments. So you have a very long front bonnet area. Then you have your cabin, which starts with the A pillar and comes down with the B pillar, and then you have the rest of the body. The roof of the vehicle, it has a kink on the top. And similarly, if you look at the bonnet of the vehicle, it's a very strong, long bonnet. So that gives it a very commanding seating feeling. Authentic yet modern aspect of the exterior design flows into the interior as well. We have retained the high seating position, which is main aspect of this vehicle design. While doing that, we have modernized the interiors completely. The switches which are there on the central fascia are toggle switches. If you look at the seats also, they have been designed for comfort. And there are also touches and elements. If you see air vents inspired from a telephoto lens are nice, round, and have a very carbon fiber-like texture on that. So it's been designed for being an SUV. The design of the central HMI element, the design of the cluster itself, all stems from the same philosophy. Overall, complete black interiors with silver elements sort of giving that modern feel. We took the theme of Panch Tattva. Out of the Panch Tattva, we took wind as the inspiration for this design. So with the wind in the hair concept, that's where the convertible aspect of the Thar becomes so important. It became a very, very important aspect of a design thought process to design a vehicle which works with a convertible top, and we did a lot of scenario renders to see how the vehicle looks in its elements. Thar is about the customer who takes it out, wants to test its complete capability, not worry about scratches on the body, on the bumpers, sacrificial element, which sort of give the customer a confidence that it's a go-anywhere vehicle.